Are you looking for the best folding tables? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best folding tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Our Modern Space 6 Feet Folding Table. The Our Modern Space Folding Table is designed for your convenience and versatility. Its foldable design allows you to transport it effortlessly, whether heading to a picnic or storing it away when not in use. You can set it up quickly for any event, from parties to camping trips. Made from heavy-duty plastic and supported by a strong metal frame, it can hold up to 300 pounds, ensuring it remains stable and reliable. Plus, cleaning is simple, just wipe it down with a damp cloth. Unfolding and locking the legs into place takes only seconds, making it a hassle-free addition to your gatherings. What we like: easy to set up, sturdy construction, convenient carry handle, quick storage, affordable pricing. What we don't like: quality is just okay, damaged corner reported. Number 2. Byliable Folding Table. Introducing the Byliable Portable Table, a versatile and convenient solution for all your indoor and outdoor needs. This folding table is not only foldable and portable, but also rugged and durable. Made of high-density polyethylene, it is 20% thicker than other tables, ensuring better quality and longevity. The strong support provided by the powder-coated steel legs and gravity locks ensures stability in any situation. With its adjustable height and lightweight design, this table is practical and easy to carry. Whether you need a table for a picnic, party, or as a study desk, the Byliable Portable Table has got you covered. What we like: sturdy construction, adjustable height settings, easy to set up and store, compact design, versatile for various uses. What we don't like: minor dent noted, price could be lower. Number 3. Byliable 6 Feet Folding Table. Portable and durable. The Byliable Folding Table is a portable and durable table that is perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It is foldable and portable, making it easy to store and carry. The table is made of high-density polyethylene, which is 20% thicker than other fragile hollow folding tables, making it more rugged and durable. It has powder-coated steel legs and gravity locks that help to completely fix the table at any time and any place. The table also has enough space to accommodate about 6 to 8 adults, making it perfect for outdoor picnic or birthday party table, dining fold-out table, barbecue portable table, game table, or as a dining foldable table, display plastic folding table, study table, or desk for indoor activities. What we like: sturdy and reliable, easy setup and takedown, lightweight for transport, spacious for multiple uses, suitable for large gatherings. What we don't like: material stains easily. Number 4. Furniture R 33.5-inch Folding Table. The Furniture R folding table is designed for effortless use and convenience. You can set it up in seconds without any assembly, allowing you to enjoy your space quickly. Its compact 33.5-inch square size makes it perfect for small areas like home offices or cozy balconies. The versatile nature of this table means it can serve as an extra workspace indoors or a dining surface outdoors, adapting to your needs. Plus, when you're done, it folds away easily for compact storage, freeing up valuable space in your home. What we like: high quality, sturdy design, great for games, well packaged, perfect for small spaces. What we don't like: high return shipping cost, assembly issues. Number 5. Best Choice Products 4 Feet Folding Table. The Best Choice Folding Table is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it an ideal choice for any event. With a heavy-duty tabletop, you can confidently place up to 300 pounds of food and drinks without worry. The sturdy steel legs and non-slip rubber feet provide excellent support, ensuring the table stays stable during your gatherings. Plus, its portable and foldable design means you can easily take it anywhere or store it compactly when not in use. Assembly is a breeze, Just unfold, lock the legs, and you're ready to go. What we like: sturdy construction, easy to set up, portable design, attractive appearance, versatile usage. What we don't like: missing carrying handle.